Sleeping is of utmost importance for both studying and leading a healthy and fulfilling life. Here are some key reasons why sleep is crucial. 1. Memory and learning. Sleep plays a vital role in memory consolidation and learning. During sleep, the brain processes and organizes information gathered throughout the day, strengthening neural connections and enhancing memory retention. Getting sufficient sleep improves concentration, focus, and cognitive function, leading to better academic performance and learning outcomes. 2. Problem-solving and creativity. Quality sleep promotes creative thinking and problem-solving abilities. When well-rested, the brain can make connections and find innovative solutions more effectively. Conversely, lack of sleep can impair cognitive flexibility and hinder the ability to think critically and creatively. 3. Attention and concentration. A good night's sleep enhances attention span and concentration. It allows you to stay focused for longer periods, absorb information more efficiently, and maintain better productivity. Adequate sleep reduces the likelihood of distractions and helps you stay engaged in your studies or work tasks. 4. Physical and mental health. Sleep is essential for overall health and well-being. Chronic sleep deprivation has been linked to a range of health problems, including weakened immune function, increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, obesity, diabetes, anxiety, and depression. By prioritizing sleep, you bolster your immune system, support healthy brain function, and maintain optimal physical and mental health. 5. Stress management. Sufficient sleep contributes to effective stress management. When you sleep well, your body has a chance to recover and restore itself, reducing stress hormones such as cortisol. By managing stress levels, you can maintain a balanced lifestyle and better cope with the demands of studying or work. 6. Energy and productivity. Getting an adequate amount of sleep replenishes your energy levels, enabling you to tackle daily tasks with vigor and efficiency. It improves productivity and performance, allowing you to make the most of your study or work time. Sleep deprivation, on the other hand, can lead to fatigue, decreased motivation, and diminished productivity. 7. Safety and alertness. Sleep deprivation compromises alertness and reaction time, posing risks to both personal and public safety. Whether you're driving, operating machinery, or engaging in other potentially hazardous activities, sleep plays a critical role in ensuring you're alert and capable of making quick, accurate decisions. In summary, sleep is essential for optimal cognitive function, memory consolidation, learning, physical and mental health, stress management, productivity, and overall well-being. Prioritizing sufficient sleep is crucial for effective studying, successful learning outcomes, and leading a fulfilling life. If this video important to you, please share and like. Don't forget to subscribe us.